Welcome to today's devotional journey. Thank you for joining us as we explore a story that underscores the importance of focusing on our own path and maintaining steadfast faith. In a bustling village lived Eli, a skilled carpenter renowned for his meticulous work and deep faith. As the village grew, so did competition among carpenters. New techniques and flashy designs from other craftsmen began drawing the villagers' attention, and Eli found his clientele dwindling. One evening, burdened by defeat, Eli strolled through the village park to clear his mind. There, he encountered Mr. Samuel, an elderly man celebrated for his wisdom and gentle spirit. Noticing Eli's distress, Mr. Samuel invited him to share his concerns. After listening to Eli's worries about being overshadowed by other carpenters, Mr. Samuel shared a personal story. Many years ago, he began, I was a competitive runner. During a crucial race, while I was leading, I worried about my competitors catching up. Turning my head to look back, I stumbled and fell, losing not only my lead but the race itself. That day, I learned a crucial lesson. Looking away from your path causes you to lose direction. He continued, like in racing, so it is in life and faith. Keeping your eyes on your own lane is vital. Focus on your relationship with God and the unique talents He has given you. Don't be swayed by others' actions. Run your own race, trusting that God has a uniquely designed plan for you. Inspired by Mr. Samuel's words, Eli returned to his workshop with a renewed spirit. He concentrated on crafting furniture he felt proud of, infusing each piece with his faith and personal touch. Gradually, villagers began to recognize the quality and heart in his work, and Eli's business flourished more than ever. Dear friends, let us take a lesson from Eli's story. It's important to keep our spiritual vision clear and our faith strong, avoiding distractions from the surrounding noise. Trust in the path God has set for each of us and walk it with confidence and peace. Before you go, remember to like, subscribe, and activate notifications for more stories and teachings like this one. Stay blessed and encouraged in your personal faith journey.